Today we're walking around Higashi Ueno to introduce you local stores where you can do sustainable shopping, like plant-based, organic. There's also, for example, this little amazing noodle factory where you can buy fresh udon, soba, ramen noodles in your own containers. Okay, let's go! Our first stop is Guruatsu, a popular plant-based restaurant in Higashi Ueno. When you go in on your left side, you'll see a range of organic and plant-based products. But the specialty is waiting for you at the back of the store. There are delicious tofu muffins and soy milk scones. All ingredients are plant-based except the chocolate chips, and they really try to use organic and local ingredients as much as possible. On Saturdays, if you're lucky, you might see a farmer selling his veggies. You might want to bring more than one container at Tachibana Noodle Factory, where you can find fresh noodles from udon, soba to ramen. And a regular customer recommended us to try the thick gyoza dumpling skins. When you bring your bag or container at Inaricho Aizawa Rice Store, they will give you 10 yen discount for every kilo you buy. You will also find one brand of rice that is fully organic. Nakayama Tofu Shop is one of those local tofu stores that we love. You can bring your own containers to try different types of tofu like gamodoki. They also have soy milk. Our last stop today is Star Indo Grocery, where you can find a variety of Indian food products. And remember that buying in big quantities helps reducing waste. You can also send them an email in advance to request to buy dals and beans in bulk. All details will be on EcoLocal website. We finish our eco shopping today at Root Books, a unique cafe full of plants and books. They also have organic soft drinks, and if you head to the second floor, you will see that they even have a space for kintsugi and pottery workshop, a place worth discovering next time you head to Higashi Ueno.